Tired of squinting at Wikipedia's tiny text or scrolling endlessly with oversized font? Learn how to adjust text size in just 2 clicks. First, locate the Appearance tool panel on the right side of the page. Then, select the large text icon to instantly resize the article. First, scroll down the page until you see the Appearance tool panel on the right side. That's where you'll find the text size controls. Then, under the text heading, go ahead and click the large size icon. The article text will automatically adjust to your selected size. You'll see the change immediately. And that's all there is to it. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.